One of the most important things we can know about the interior of a planet is how hot it is. Interior heating is important in determining the strength of a planet's magnetic field, its surface processes, and even whether or not it can form an atmosphere. This is another question where we need to use the data in the Mystery Solar System table to tell us something qualitative about these worlds. That means your answers should clearly show what information in the table leads to your conclusions. One of the things we need to know here is the planet's density, since that tells us the composition. Remember that if you need to make corrections to your density calculation, you should get those done before you try answering this question. There are 5 important heat sources for planetary interiors, but 2 of those, accretion and differentiation, are mostly important during the formation of planets. They're less likely to matter over billions of years. The 3 that are important for long periods are radioactive decay, tidal heating, and contraction heating. Depending on whether the world is terrestrial, Jovian, or a moon of a Jovian planet, one of those will be the most important heat source. So you should explain what kind of planet you're describing and how you can tell, as well as which heat source this implies. Convection is the method of carrying heat through hot materials flowing upward and cooler materials sinking downward. For the mantle of a planet to be convective, it has to be warm enough that the interior is at least partially fluid. In our solar system, the mantles of the Earth and Venus, as well as all of the Jovian planets, are hot enough for convection, while in Mercury and Mars, the mantles don't appear to go through convection. Remember that unless there is an unusually effective heat source, smaller worlds tend to be much cooler inside than large ones. As we'll see later in the course, Mars is a transitional world in this regard. It used to have a much more active interior and surface than it does now. So in your answer, you should describe whether or not mantle convection is likely, and what information in your Mystery Solar System table indicates this.